Welcome to Emirates Specialty Hospital, Dubai Healthcare City. In this video, I'll be informing you about our outpatient process. Our aim is to make your visit to the hospital easy, comfortable, and quick. As you walk into the hospital, you'll be attended by our patient care executive, who will inquire about your details, purpose of visit, and request you to wait. Our patient coordinator will then attend to you and take you to the designated floor and the consultation zone. After you have reached the OPD reception, you will be received by the reception in charge. You will then be requested to present your ID in order to complete the patient verification process. You will be asked to read and sign the patient consent form in order to start with the consultation process. On completion of the patient verification process, our patient care executive will direct you to the designated outpatient clinic and ask you to wait in order to be attended by the assigned nurse. Now, you'll be attended by our OPD nurse who will assist you to the triage room to begin your assessment. Your assessment will include vital signs, chief complaints, medical history, and certain details to be given to the doctor. After the information is taken, you'll be assisted to the doctor's room for the consultation. The doctor will begin the consultation by asking some relevant questions in order to understand your concerns, which will then be followed by a clinical physical examination. Depending on your medical condition, the doctor will recommend to get some laboratory and radiology investigations. Our patient care executive will take you to the diagnostic and imaging reception. The reception in charge will check your identification as part of the patient verification process and other documents depending on the investigation to be done, and you will be asked to wait at the designated area. The radiology technician will attend to you and ask you for the procedure details, as well as do an initial detailed document check. You will be seen by our radiologist, who will explain the procedure and inquire about your general health. Your consent will be taken in order to proceed with the investigation and requested procedure. The technician will take you to the changing room so that you can change to the hospital gown, which is a mandate and protocol to be followed for your own safety. Our well-trained and experienced medical support team will explain to you about the procedure and make you comfortable in order to conduct the required investigation. After your radiology procedure is completed, you will be directed to the sample collection room, where our technician will again repeat the patient identification procedure as part of confirming to our quality standards. The sample collection procedure will be carried out by the technician. Completion of the lab and radiology investigations, you'll be directed back to your own doctor for detailing your reports. The doctor will give you the necessary medical advice and medications if any. Now, the nurse will guide you to the reception and the payment process will be initiated. You will now be directed to the pharmacy in order to collect your medications. The pharmacy token will be issued and you will wait till you are called by the pharmacist. The pharmacist will explain to you the dosage and hand over the medications. The patient care executive will guide you to the exit. Thank you for choosing us as your preferred healthcare provider. We wish you good health.